Hello there everybody, Sam here with the PC Master Race channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a $700 PC build. Let's get right into it. For our CPU, we went with the AMD FX 4350 4.2 GHz quad-core processor. The only reason we chose this over the 8-core CPU is because it has 4.2 GHz and is a lot cheaper. For our first option on the CPU cooler, we went with the Thermaltake Gravity A1. It supports plenty of sockets, has 22.3 dBA, which is a pretty low noise level, 1800 RPM to keep your CPU nice and cool, and best part is, it's only $12. For our second option, it's a bit on the higher end of the budget, the Crosshair H55 57 CFM liquid CPU cooler. It has a 120mm radiator and 30.3 dBA, which is a medium noise level. It has 1700 RPM spins a minute to keep your case nice and cool along with your CPU nice and cool. Next, it supports plenty of sockets over there. I'm not going to read them all out because, well, that would take a lot of time. It's only $59.99 and pretty good for its price. Now next, for our motherboard. We went with the Gigabyte GA970A ATX AM3 Plus motherboard. It's only $72 and supports our CPU. Has four memory slots to support plenty of to support plenty of memory. It has onboard USB 3.0 and it's ATX, so it's nice and big and easy. Now, the one bad thing about this is that it doesn't have wireless internet, so we had to get a wireless card along with it. Next is the Kingston HyperX Fury Blue. We went with 16 gigabytes, 2x8 gigabyte DDR3 1866. It comes with high-speed memory, 16 gigabytes for easy multitasking, nice blue and silver color, cast latency of 10, 1.5 voltage of power usage to support our motherboard's limit of power, and it's only $100.01. Now, for our hard drive, we went with the Seagate Barracuda 1TB 3.5 7200 RPM internal hard drive. It has 7200 RPM for easy download, 1TB or 1000 gigabytes of data for plenty of space for your games and other things you may have on your computer. It comes with SATA 6 gigabytes a second for easy and quick usage. It comes with 64 megabyte cache and 3.5 inch form factor, so it's nice and large and easy to install. Best part is, it's only $46.99. Now, for our most important part of the build, our graphics card. We went with the 750 Ti 2GB super clocked video card. Now, thanks to EVGA, it comes super clocked for us, but we can still overclock it. Comes with 1.18 GHz core clock and super clocked and overclockable. Supports G-Sync for quick syncing, has the 750 Ti chipset, and that's an amazing 1080p chipset to play all your games. Now, this is of course an optional part of your build. If you just wanted a $400 computer for work that would run very quickly, then you can just take this right out of your build. It comes with PCI Express 16 to connect right onto our motherboard and only uses 60 watts of power. And an amazing part of it is it's only $120. For our case, we went with the Asus Sirius ATX mid-tower case. At $30, this is an amazing case. It comes with 3 internal 3.5 bays to fit our motherboard, to fit our hard drive right in, and more hard drive later on. It comes with USB 3.0 ports on the front, so our motherboard fits right in. Next, for our power supply, we went with the Crosshair CX 600W 80 Plus bronze certified semi-modular ATX power supply. At $62.98, this is an amazing power supply. 600 watts to support all our things in our computer, 80 plus bronze efficiency, semi-modular for easy power, and its ATX form factor. Let's keep going. Now for our wireless card, so you can connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, to connect this, you have to press a small button on your router, and it should connect automatically. It comes with quick Wi-Fi adaptation, of 802.11a/b/g/n/AC. This is the top of the market USB 3.0 Wi-Fi adapter at only $19.99. Now for our DVD CD writer or our CD-ROM. It has pretty quick CD-ROM speed, interface of 3 gigabytes a second, and it's nice and large. It's an amazing CD-ROM. For our screen. Now, just to keep things clear, I do consider this part of the PC build, and if you don't consider it part of the PC build and you wanted to get your own screen, you can go ahead and do that. Now, 21.5-inch screen size for almost 2 feet wide and very large and good for your site. And it comes with 1920 by 1080 or 1080p high HD resolution with high definition, and supports widescreens for your movies, videos, anything you want to watch. High brightness rate of 250 CD/m squared, which is very bright. 5 millisecond response time for quick response time, and refresh rate of 60 Hz to keep your screen nice and refreshed. It comes LED backlit for nice sight. Well, that is all, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like down below. Hopefully, our next video will be within 7 days, and it will be a live PC build. Hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.